Good afternoon. So today I have been really craving macaroni and cheese. So I am going to do a baked mac and cheese that I saw on Good Morning America. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell to get my notifications on when I post a new video. So let's get to this. I am not a baker, so I have to do my recipe. Read this recipe from Chef Millie Peartree from New York City. I guess this is the award-winning mac and cheese, baked mac and cheese that she actually uses for her restaurant. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do with some modifications because I don't have exactly what she has. So with that, I am going to tell you what we are doing. So it calls for 1 pound of elbow mac and cheese. I usually do just regular store-bought. This box is actually 1 pound of macaroni, which is perfect because I don't have to do any measuring or figuring out what is 1 pound. So you want to cook the macaroni for 7 to 8 minutes, which is what is it? El dente. El dente. Because we're actually gonna be putting this into the oven. So I have already done so, which is right here. So I cooked that for 7 minutes, and now I am going to, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I doing? I am going to mix the pasta, salt, butter, pepper, and egg, which I never thought of using egg in macaroni and cheese, but apparently you do. So I'm going to add my pasta. I'm going to move this down. Adding my pasta to this big bowl. I will be, how do I do this? Maybe I'll put you back up here. And then I'm going to add butter, which I always use the Kerrygold pure Irish butter. So I'm just going to add all of this in here. It asks for a stick. Which I think, what is this? Kerrygold is 8 ounces. How much is a stick of butter? I don't know what a stick of butter is. Maybe I won't add all of it. I'll add most of it. How much should I add? I'll bring you guys down here. So, here's my butter. Should I add like this much? Yeah, let's do that. I will add this to my mac and cheese. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let that set, melt. And then it says to add salt and pepper and then 3 eggs. Oh, hello. I have already added salt when I boiled the macaroni, because what I was told is that you add salt to the macaroni when it boils, and you want it to be you want it pretty much to taste like the ocean, so very salty water. So that's what I do. So I'm not going to add any more salt until I get all of this mixed in. I'm going to go ahead and add my ground pepper. Ground. And if I'm wanting to be like a chef, then you add it high, which I don't know why, but ground. Okay, so that took just a little bit longer than what I thought it was going to take. But I've got my salt and pepper in there. Oops, got my salt and pepper in there. I have my butter. And now I'm going to do my 3 beaten eggs, which I've already done. I didn't think you would be that thrilled to see me beat eggs. So I already did it. So we are going to add that into this mixture here. Then add eggs beaten. Okay. Here. Let's see if I can put this camera up a little bit higher so you can see what I'm doing. Perfect. Okay. So I've got my eggs in here. Now the pasta was cool enough so it doesn't cook the eggs right away, because I don't think you want scrambled eggs. So added that. Now it says to add 2 cups cheese. Like I said, I am going to use my Mexican style blend. So let's go ahead and do that. Got my little scoop here. One, 2 cups. That looks like a lot of cheese for this, but I mean, it is macaroni and cheese. Now, I guess what you could do, which I just now thought of, is that you can put any sort of protein in here if you wanted, like chicken, like grilled chicken would be good, or bacon would be good in here. I don't know, could you do fish? I mean, I guess there's tuna mac and cheese, so I guess you could do some sort of a fish if you wanted. Now, I don't like fish, so I'm not putting fish in here. So yeah, no. So put that there, and then 2 cups butter a baking dish, which I already have it buttered here. And then we are just going to add this into my baking dish. Now it says only add half. So that's what I'm going to do. Maybe I should get a smaller baking dish. I don't know. We'll see. So added half. And then you want to add another 2 cups of cheese. The other type of cheese. Like I said, I'm going to use mozzarella. And I'm just going to sprinkle this on this, just to do this. So I don't know if my fistful is 2 cups or not, but we will see. Okay. And now we add the rest on top of this. So it's almost like a casserole, I guess, if you want to say. Well, I was thinking of another type of food. What is that? Italian? Oh God, what is it called? Lasagna? That is what it is called. So get all of that deliciousness out of the bowl. Oh. I'm gonna get this little guy. I'm just gonna get all of this out. So difficult. Why is cooking so hard? I am not a cook. I can bake, but I cannot cook. Whatever. Okay, so we have that. So now I am going to, I need to add the milk. Milk. So it says to use whole milk, which I guess is a lot creamier. I'm not a big whole milk fan. So I'm just going to use my typical 1%. And we are adding, what is the milk? 2 cups milk. So just add this right on in here. 1, 2 cups milk. Okay. So now what we do is we're going to bake this for about 25 to 35 minutes. We have to bake it covered. So we are going to put some tin foil or aluminum foil over it. So we are going to, I just broke a hole in it. Dang it. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to cover this and put it in the oven. Bake it for 25 to 35 minutes, but you do not want to overbake. So you kind of want to have it as a, almost like if you're baking a quiche type thing, is what I understand. So you want it kind of jiggly, but not overbaked. So I'm going to throw this into the oven, and I will be back when it is finished and show you what else we do. So I think we have to, oh yes, we have to add more cheese to it, the rest of the cheese to it, and then we broil it. So I will see you shortly. All right, so I am back. I just pulled out the macaroni and cheese. That looks so good. Actually, you can tell it is still bubbling, boiling hot with all that delicious butter and cheese and milk and eggs. Yummy. So I am going to put you back up on the shelf, and I'm going to finish out this recipe, put it on broil, and we will take it out again here probably in 15 minutes. So I'm just going to add another layer of cheese is all I'm going to be doing, just to the top here with the Mexican style cheese and the mozzarella cheese. So that's all I'm going to do here on top. Add it to the, or put it back in the, put it back into the oven on broil. And actually, I need to change this then. What? I don't know if, I'm guessing I put it on high. I didn't know there was 2 temperatures on broil, so I'm guessing on high. So yeah, I'll put it on high, put it back in the oven. Hopefully that crisps the cheese up quite nicely. And yeah, I will show you what it looks like when it is finished. All right, I am finished with this mac and cheese. So that was really close, wasn't it? So yeah, let us take a look at it. Now, I guess we have to let it sit for a little bit, but that looks really, really good. Once I cut into it, I will show you. It's not very big, but that's okay. It will feed me for a couple days. And yes, I am very excited to get into that. So the reflection on my glasses is insane, so we'll do that. Anyway, yeah, so with that, I am off. Gosh, I got the hiccups right now. But make sure to subscribe below. Hit the little bell to get any notifications that I do when I post videos. I am trying to post a video at least once a week, if not 2 or 3. I'm also thinking of doing kind of a backstory on myself, so you guys know kind of what I do or what I've been through. Oops. And why I take so many hikes. So look for that video here in the future. And with that, I am off. Have a good day, stay safe, and share the love.